go. Coming nicely.
Can't see the leader yet.
Not yet. Come on. 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes. What a day this is going to be, eh?
Definitely a ray. See how it's going up in the surface now?
Yeah.
It stayed deep, so there's more tide. It's probably not quite as big as ray as what we thought. Still a ray though. There's the leader. There's the leader. Come on, baby, what we got? Undulate, spotted, painted, thornback, blonde.
You can tell straight away. Ooh.
Yeah, it's your first ray, Ash. See what I mean? Now it's very small. There's more tide than what the ray could handle. A normal ray would stay real deep in the tide and hang there like a kite. Yeah.
How small is small?
Oh, it's a spotted. Lovely. Oh, that's only probably about £3.
Hey, that's enough.
Not even, might not even be that actually.
I don't care what it is, mate.
That's it, just take your time.
Hey,
Tickety boo, Ash.